Maybelline just dropped new Teddy tints for brown skin, that too in 10 shades, and I'm super excited to show you the swatches. And also, I'll be comparing the old Teddy tint to the new Teddy tint. If there is any difference, let's see. Hey all, I'm Smita Siddhi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I make videos on makeup, skincare, and all brown beauty related stuff. So I have all the new Maybelline Teddy Tint shades, and these products were sent by the brand. And disclaimer, this is not a paid collaboration. I just wanted to show you the swatches and compare the old Teddy Tint to the new Teddy Tint, and also if it is transfer proof, kiss proof and all. So first let me swatch all the new Teddy Tints on my lips and show you how brown skin friendly they are. So I'll be swatching the shades which look pale on me with a lip liner. Buffed out with a lip liner. Shade Petal Core with a lip liner. Endgame with a lip liner. Heart Locket with a lip liner. The next shades I'm gonna swatch are all without a lip liner. Velvet Choker, Faux Freckle, Mascara Tear, Coffee Date, Wild at Heart, and the last shade Tomato Girl. I put a timer for 10 minutes and let's see if this is transfer proof. Actually, I pursed my lips prior drying, so but still there is stickiness, but I don't feel uncomfortable in it. But if you feel uncomfortable with slight stickiness also, Maybelline Teddy Tints are not for you. Okay, after 10 minutes also this transfers, so I guess we need to wait up to 15 to 20 minutes, then this becomes transfer proof. From the previously launched Maybelline Teddy Tint collection, I've applied the shade Pinky Bestie and I'll just keep a timer up to 10 minutes and let's see. This time I'm not gonna purse my lips for this shade. Let's see. Okay, it's been 10 minutes and let's see. Honestly, both of them need actually more than 10 minutes to settle down and become transfer proof. And the old ones feel little bit more sticky than the new ones. So coming to the shades, I was able to apply 6 shades without a lip liner and 4 shades with a lip liner. And I love the shades with the lip liner also because they look so beautiful on me. And look at the packaging. Obviously, we love this packaging, right? Of course, it's a little bit more bulky compared to the regular lipsticks, which will be a little bit thin. But this is a little bit bulky, but also cute and very unique packaging, right? And this time I'm really happy with Maybelline because they are launching brown skin friendly products, and especially in Teddy Tints they have launched like 10 shades, and among those 10 shades I can find 6 shades that I can use it on my pigmented lips without a lip liner, and the shades are also very pigmented and very brown skin friendly. So this is Mascara Tear and this is Coffee Date, and both of the shades look very similar, but there is difference, so I'm gonna swatch both side by side for you to pick your perfect brown nude. And from these 10 shades, my favorites has to be the Coffee Date and Violet Heart. So the Violet Heart is like a perfect pink shade for brown girlies, and it's very pigmented. I mean, both of them are very pigmented. And for all these shades, I just need 2 times dipping in the product to completely cover my lip pigment. So will I be using these Territings on regular basis? Yes. The Coffee Date and Violet Heart I will be using on regular basis, and I have been already using it on regular basis. Don't purse your lips for at least 20 minutes and after that they won't transfer. You eat, you sip, it will stay on for a longer hours and longer period of time. Also, these don't feel drying, these feel like those cushiony soft lips, and also these feel like they give you some blurring effect to the lip. So either you might love this product or you might hate this product. I really like them, especially Coffee Date and Violet Heart. Just blindly get those shades, okay? And that's it for the review. I hope you liked this video and I hope this video was helpful in some way. And thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. See you in my next video. Bye.